Create a square document with a white background. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Make 2 columns and 1 row. Select the rectangle tool. Select Shape. Make the fill color black. And select No Color for the stroke. Fill the left side of the canvas with the black shape. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Save the pattern. You can delete the rectangle layer now. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Make 2 columns and 2 rows. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Select Add to Selection. And select the top left and bottom right part. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Angle, -45 degrees. Scale, 5%. Select the rectangle tool. Make sure the settings are still the same. Make a square in the top right corner. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. Save the pattern. You can delete the rectangle and pattern layer now. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern. And adjust the scale to your liking. If you want to adjust the colors of the pattern, add a gradient map layer and change the colors of the gradient. And that's how you create this pattern.